Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's Windows 10 tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick fix for those frustrating mouse accuracy issues. If your mouse seems to have a mind of its own or overshoots where you want it to go, it might be due to a simple setting called mouse acceleration. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the steps to turn it off and boost the accuracy of your mouse. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to open up the settings for your Windows 10 computer. To do that, head down to the Windows Start button in the bottom left, right-click it, and then select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, simply type Mouse into the search box. You'll see Mouse Settings come up. Go ahead and select that. Now, in the Mouse Settings, scroll down to the Related Settings section and choose Additional Mouse Options. This will open up the Mouse Properties window. In the top menu, select Pointer Options. Under the Motion section, you'll find the culprit, Enhanced Pointer Precision. Simply unselect that option. With that done, hit Apply, and you've successfully turned off mouse acceleration. This simple tweak should improve the accuracy of your mouse movements. Now, close the Settings window and give your newly configured mouse a spin. You should notice a significant improvement in accuracy. That's it, you successfully disabled mouse acceleration in Windows 10. If you have any questions about this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. For more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.